You know how creators are always saying, I want to work with brands, but I don't even know where to start? Well, now you don't have to guess. Because with Beacons Brand Collabs, creators can actually land brand deals right from their link in bio. And what is up, everyone, and welcome back to another Beacons video. My name is Ivan and I'm the digital content producer here at Beacons, and today's video is a big one. Yes, I know I say that about everything, but come on, we're always releasing new stuff. We are officially rolling out a brand new way for creators to connect with brands directly on Beacons. It's called Brand Collabs. And it's designed to help you grow from affiliate links all the way to paid partnerships. So what does that actually mean? You can now pitch yourself to brands that Beacon sources, add affiliate links from brands you already love, and get recommended for opportunities based on what you post. And even get discovered by brands right through your link in bio, just by filling out our brand deal profile. It all starts with affiliate links. That's your foot in the door. You prove you can drive sales, and brands start to notice you. From there, it can turn into gifting, discount codes, higher commissions, and eventually flat free brand deals. And to help you level up, we're introducing creator tiers. The more active you are, the higher your tier. And the higher your tier, the more access you get to brand deals. From storefronts and media kits to chatting with brands, creator tiers make sure you are set up to win. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get started with brand collabs with our new brand deal profile, what each creator tier unlocks, how to grow from affiliate links into full-on partnerships, and the exact steps you can take today to start getting discovered by brands. If you've been trying to figure out how to land your first brand deal or your next one, this is it. Let's go ahead and dive in. So let's just head straight into Beacons, and on the left-hand side, click Brand Collabs, and you'll be in our new Brand Collabs overview. Now, there's a lot here. You have campaigns on the left, brand collab tiers on the right with social stats, affiliate sales, and brand mentions down below. We'll get into everything in this video, but let's start off talking about this percentage number right here. This number indicates how much you have completed your brand deal profile. Now, your goal is to get this to at least 55% to unlock brand campaigns and opportunities. This part is super easy to do and fill out. Just click, go to brand deal profile, and start filling it out. Now, why do we need to fill this out? Well, let me explain. Brand deal profiles lets brands be able to find the perfect creators for their collabs or campaigns. They can look for creators in a certain age range, location, whether they recently went through certain milestones like getting married or moving. By filling this out, this helps the brand find the perfect creator, which can be you. Simply fill out as much as you can. Add whether you're open to paid partnerships, gifting campaigns, etc. You can add family members if you wish, personal milestones, your rates and services, any past brand partners you have, and of course, any case studies. Now, putting all this aside, the most important part is the very first section, and that's adding your social accounts. Add 3 or more accounts to get the most percentage. And now look at that, your brand deal profile completion just went up. Now, if you head back to the overview tab, you should see it look a little different. And now you have campaigns and quick pitching. Now, this isn't unlocked just yet. If you click on quick pitch, you'll see that you need to have collabs tier level 2 to unlock quick pitching to brands, which brings us to our next subject about brand collabs. Brand collab tiers are a way for you to level up, unlock features, and stand out to brands. The higher level you are, the more perks you get, and the more you stand out to brands. Once you reach 30 points and make your first affiliate sale, you can unlock level 2, which gives you an elevated brand position in brand search results, and you get to pitch yourself to brands on Beacons. Once you reach 70 points, you'll unlock level 3, and you get access to chatting with brands and priority consideration for brand deals. And lastly, at 85 points, you can unlock level 4, which grants you access to Beacons experts and the team, as well as invites to exclusive events and premier consideration for flat free brand deals. Right now, you are at level 1. But how do we get to the next levels? Well, we have listed different ways to help you get points. The easiest one that we've already done is completing your brand deal profile. And some other easy options is creating an affiliate link and completing your media kit. Some ways to get points to unlock next levels is driving clicks to affiliate links. More clicks is equal to more points. Next is monthly sales. The more you make, the more points you get. Something that I've said before, but it is essential to know, is that you need to make at least one affiliate sale to get 30 plus points. And lastly, just create and promote your affiliate links. Another super easy way to level up. Once you get enough levels, you'll be able to quick pitch yourself to brands and their campaigns. Simply click Quick Pitch. Fill out your rates for different social platforms and notes. Press Continue, and there you go. If you're a right fit for the brand and campaign, they'll be in touch with you soon. And lastly, I want to talk about brand mentions. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see the brand mentions tab, and this new tool will keep track of all the times you mention certain brands in your content. It will track the amount of mentions, the total views those videos brought up, as well as likes, comments, clicks, and affiliate sales you've made. This can help you see what brands are already fitting in your content and help you decide who you can potentially reach out to. You can generate an affiliate link here, and if they are in our supported brands, you can pitch to them via messaging them if you have unlocked level 3. And that is a wrap on the Beacons brand collabs. Whether you're just starting with affiliate links or you've been working with brands for a while, this feature was literally built to help you grow into full-on brand partnerships. We're not just talking about sharing links. We're helping you build real relationships with brands, from earning commission to getting gifted products to negotiating paid brand deals. This is your path to long-term brand collabs, not just one-off shoutouts. So if you've been sitting on the sidelines waiting for a sign to start working with brands, this is it. Set up your brand to your profile, explore affiliate links, and start climbing those creator tiers. Everything you need to land brand deals is already inside your Beacons account. So let's make it happen. And as always, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, drop your questions in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe. We've got a lot more coming to help you grow your creator business. Until next time, I'll see you guys later.